Here we go. We got damper and fish. That's big, bro. It's been about 6 hours of fishing to finally catch one.
G'day guys, back here with How's Adventures. Got Scotty in the back. Heading up to Baruga again. Went up a few months ago and went pretty well on the cod, so I think there's about 8 of us heading up this trip. Got 2 boats going, so do a bit of cod fishing for you and a bit of camp cooking and just a bit of camping and stuff, so see how we go. Let's go!
Good tree of thongs. Just rocked up. Gonna get the rooftop set up.
Yeah.
Boys, got the fire going. Lukey.
G'day.
Jake.
Happening.
Stiffy.
G'day.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Big Marky over there. Just got finished setting up. We're having some nachos. Well, we got that going on over here. We got puckers.
Hey.
Cooking some mince to go on top.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the mince on there, chuck it back on the fire, let all the cheese melt, and then we're gonna dig into that. So we are hungry. Mince man.
Whoa.
Get that shit in there. Oh.
Alright, so this is all sorted. We've fucking got mince, cheese, salsa, Doritos, sour cream. So whack this in the camp oven, get all the cheese a bit melted, everything a bit warmed up, and we'll fucking tuck in.
Oh yeah. Grubs up. Yeah, gonna call it a night there. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Gonna go out for a fish. Hopefully catch that big cod I've been dreaming of. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Peace. Alright guys, good morning. Woke up nice and early this morning to do the dawn service. Now we're gonna head out fishing. Yeah, hopefully catch a big cod. I'll see you down at the boat. Just got to our first spot. Gonna get the rods all set up, get them in the water. And yeah, wait and see if we can catch one. The boys are here. And he's snagged. That's a keen cast. How does that get snagged there? There goes me lure.
This is fucking big.
Hey! Smile. Off he goes, straight to my line.
About 10:30. This bloke's fucking snoozing hard as. Getting some firewood sorted for tonight. Ready to go. Got some here, a bit more there. Should be good.
Chicken isn't working too well this morning, so we're gonna go put the shrimp net in, use some shrimps. So hopefully that will get the fish biting, but yeah, they were pretty quiet this morning. We're just gonna go head over the river there, drop it in the snags and the reeds.
Got some bacon and some cabana, so hopefully the oils all come out of that and they can fucking get a few in there.
Yeah, then we catch big fish, mate.
Shove it all in there.
We're going back. Come on, puckers. Just going to tie this off to this branch, toss this out, we'll come check out in a couple of hours. It should be full of shrimp.
In she goes.
Bang. Righto, we just went and picked up Scotty. We're on our way through this little creek system. At the end of this is like a lake sort of thing. Gonna fish around there, hopefully find some cod hanging around those snags or some yellow belly maybe. Yeah, we want to try and keep. Oh fucking hell! We want to try and keep a yellow belly. Yeah, we've never eaten it before, so we would like to try that. We're going to check those yabby nets in about, I don't know, half an hour or so. For now, we're just going to go have some beers, try and catch some cod. Alright, cut. Cut? No, not drive, cut! Fuck it!
The rules about this. Most stable. Self to boat like a real man.
Come on, Scott. We gotta go. Alright, we just took out a log. Crumbling under the pressure, this big fella. Oh no. Oh, alright, we're on our way to check the shrimp net right now. If there's shrimp, we're gonna catch some yellow belly.
That's a shit spot. I'll put on the fucking logs on the other side.
Just grabbed our shrimp net. There's nothing in there. We're gonna move it over to the other side where there's a bunch of snags and stuff.
Is that Tim? Timmy?
Yeah, I've seen him.
The best.
Radio.
Alright, Captain.
You're a wanker, aren't you?
All the boys come out. We got Luke, Jake, Scotty, and big fella. Pucker's right here. Knob head. All the boys chucking their rods in the water right now. We got chicken and cabana. We're trying cabana. Aaron reckons that cabana is the go. We will see if that can catch fish. Trout cod, not the target species, but still good fun. Finally caught one. We've been out here for about an hour. Had nothing, so well, gonna release it though, obviously. And off it goes. Ready guys, just got back. We're gonna put dinner on now. We're doing slow cooked pork rolls tonight. Lukey, give something to the camera.
What's going on YouTube?
Yes.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Go follow the Instagram.
Yeah, go do that. Check out Instagram, TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Cut that up into bits. So.
Just chuck that pork on. That's going to take about 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. So I'm just going to check this shrimp net right now. See if there's any shrimp in there. If there is, I'm going to head out and try and catch some, well, either some yellow belly or cod, but hopefully yellow belly. I've never caught them before, so it'd be a good fish to catch. Let's see if that can balance there. There is nothing in there. We'll get that back out. Oh shit. Oh bugger. Ugh. I'll leave it in there for another few hours and hopefully, yeah, something shows up, but I'm gonna head out on the boat anyway.
What have we got, Howie?
Just hooked up to a beautiful cod. Oh, there it is.
Got the net.
I'll grab the net, I'll do it. Oh, oh shit, it's heavy. Oh, persistence. It's been about 6 hours of fishing to finally catch one. My God.
Pick it up.
Look at that thing.
Get it up.
Let me get the hook out. Oh, he's absolutely swallowed that hook. Fuck. That's not good. He swallowed that hook.
59 centimeters.
Spewing, he swallowed the hooks though. I'm gonna try and get the hooks out, but if it's bleeding too much, yeah, I don't really want to waste this fish if it is bleeding. So we might eat it if it's gonna bleed out too much. But I'll try and get these hooks out first, so see how we go with that. So I tried to pull the hooks out. As I pulled them out, it started bleeding out the gills. I've never eaten cod before, so it'd be good to try it anyway. But yeah, none of this fish is gonna go to waste. I'm gonna fillet all of it, make sure I get as much meat as I can off of the bad boy because they're such a nice fish. Boys, punishment for not catching a fish today. One of these bad boys. Aaron's first.
You're scared.
You not just swallow it, did you?
He's gone.
You're a tosser.
Keep chewing. That's
Why-
gone. It's fucking gone.
Why'd you swallow it like that? You just gotta chew it.
It's gone. No fucking around. Gone.
Oh, look, you got the little one lucky.
Let me just turn on the lights. Ugh. Ugh. Right.
Can you turn the light off, mate? I'm trying to bloody sleep.
I told you to fucking keep it down. Don't show people we're sleeping together.
Anyway, pretty good day today. Caught that one good sized cod. Gonna cook that up tomorrow for lunch. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you bright and early in the morning.
Morning.
Pucker's kitchen again. Bacon. What are those snags?
Chicken, herb and garlic.
Yeah, storm ones are like, it was like 54 to 20.
Rightio, just got back from the shops. We've got this spinnerbait. Gonna go out, try to catch a yellow belly now. Keep going. Go right a touch. Oh, yep, keep going. Yep, cut that.
Oh, that.
Oh. Got two rods going on here. What the fuck? Oh, yep.
Right?
No, it's nothing.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck, it's turtle.
what the hell?
That's cool.
I've never caught a turtle. Do you have claws?
Yeah.
Sharp as fuck.
Have a feed, bro.
Oh, no.
Let me try something. Sweet, got that lure back I just bought.
Fish on, mate.
Fish on. Right, we're gonna cook this Murray cod now. Whisk the eggs. Got these lemon and herb panko crumbs.
What do you do? Just bite size?
Yeah, actually like that. Such white.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Panko crumb. Scotty's doing the damper while I prep the fish.
I don't know what I'm doing.
We don't know what we're doing here. We're just winging.
I think there's so many ways you can cook this shit
You can
anyway.
literally anything.
Yeah.
Boom. That'll go.
Yeah.
There we go. You got damper and fish.
Those holes on top.
You think?
Yeah, unreal. Really nice.
Yeah, it's mega.
That's the way to do it. Beautify the fork. Yeah.
That's unreal. The texture of the fish is just perfect, I reckon.
Punch a goat. it off. F you, Scott.
Oh yeah.
Fuck you.
That's nice. Righto, we're all packed, ready to go. Got the tinny full of shit. So yeah, that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. So we don't have much licking on the we don't have much luck on the chicken.